Python in data processing way vs Python in machine learning way. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. While Python excels in both data processing and machine learning, its functionalities and libraries differ slightly between these two areas. Here's a breakdown. Python for data processing. Focus: Python in preparing raw data for analysis. This involves tasks like cleaning, removing inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicates. Transforming, converting data formats, creating new features, and scaling numerical data. Manipulation, sorting, filtering, and aggregating data based on specific criteria. Key libraries. Pandas offers powerful data structures like data frames for handling tabular data efficiently. It provides functions for cleaning, manipulating, and analyzing data. NumPy enables numerical computations on large data sets. It's the foundation for many data science libraries. Advantages. Readability: Python's clean syntax makes data processing code easier to understand and maintain. Flexibility: Python handles various data formats, CSV, JSON, Excel, and allows for custom functions for specific data manipulation needs. Visualization: libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn integrate seamlessly with Pandas for creating data visualizations to explore and understand the processed data. Disadvantages. Requires data understanding, need to understand the data structure and meaning to effectively clean and manipulate it. Limited predictive power: data processing alone doesn't uncover hidden patterns or make predictions on new data. Python for machine learning. Focus: Python empowers us to build models that learn from data and make predictions. This involves model selection, choosing an appropriate machine learning algorithm, example decision trees, random forests, based on the problem and data type. Training: feeding the processed data into the chosen algorithm to help it learn patterns. Evaluation: assessing the model's performance and making adjustments if needed. Prediction: using the trained model to make predictions on new, unseen data. Key libraries. Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive set of machine learning algorithms for various tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. TensorFlow/PyTorch, powerful frameworks for building and training deep learning models, especially for complex problems involving large data sets. Advantages. Automation: machine learning algorithms automate the process of learning from data, uncovering hidden patterns that might be difficult to identify manually. Predictive power: models can make predictions on new data, enabling tasks like customer churn prediction, stock price forecasting, or image recognition. Wide range of applications: machine learning tackles various problems across different domains. Disadvantages. Algorithm selection: choosing the right algorithm is crucial for good results. Understanding different algorithms and their strengths/weaknesses is essential. Computational cost: training complex models can be computationally expensive and require powerful hardware. Interpretability: understanding how a model arrives at its predictions can be challenging, especially for deep learning models. In conclusion, both data processing and machine learning are crucial parts of the data science workflow in Python. They work together. 1. Data processing prepares the data for analysis and machine learning by cleaning and transforming it. 2. Machine learning uses the processed data to build models for uncovering patterns and making predictions. By mastering both aspects of Python, effectively extract valuable insights from data. Building a linear regression model using Python leverages data processing techniques and machine learning functionalities. The breakdown of how each approach contributes. Data processing, using libraries like Pandas and NumPy. 1. Data loading and cleaning. Use Pandas to read data from CSV, Excel, or other formats. Handle missing values by imputing them, filling with estimates, or removing rows/columns with excessive missingness. Identify and remove outliers that might significantly skew the regression line. 2. Feature engineering, if necessary. Create new features from existing ones that might better capture the relationship between variables. Perform data scaling, Example standardization, if features have different ranges, ensuring all features contribute equally to the model. Machine learning, using scikit-learn. 1. Splitting data into training and testing sets. Use scikit-learn's train_test_split function to divide data into 2 sets. The training set is used to train the model, and the testing set evaluates its performance on unseen data. 2. Model training. Create a linear regression model using scikit-learn's linear regression class. Fit, train, the model on training data. This involves calculating the coefficients, slope and intercept, that best fit the linear relationship between independent and dependent variables. 3. Model evaluation. Use the testing set to evaluate the model's performance. Metrics like R-squared, coefficient of determination, indicate how well the model explains the variance in the dependent variable. Key points. Both data processing and machine learning are essential for building a good linear regression model. Data processing ensures the data is clean, transformed, and ready for the model to learn effectively. Machine learning allows the model to learn the linear relationship between variables and make predictions on new data. The provided Python code implements a linear regression model using the scikit-learn library. Here's a breakdown of what each step does. 1. Importing libraries. Pandas, PD used for data manipulation and analysis. Train_test_split from sklearn.model_selection, splits data into training and testing sets. Linear regression from sklearn.linear_model, class for creating and training a linear regression model. 2. Loading data. Data equals PD read_CSV, your _data.csv reads data from a CSV file. You'll need to replace your _data.csv with the actual file name of your data. 3. Pre-processing data, commented out. The commented section, hashtag. Your data processing code here, indicates that you should add your data cleaning and transformation logic here. This might involve handling missing values, creating new features, or scaling your data. 4. Splitting data into training and testing sets. Train_test_split, splits the data into 2 sets. Training set, x_train, y_train used to train the model. Testing set, x_test, y_test used to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. 5. Creating and training the model. Model equals linear regression, creates a linear regression model object. Model.fit, x_train, y_train trains the model using the training data. This process involves finding the coefficients, slope and intercept, that best fit the linear relationship between the independent variable, x_train, and the dependent variable, y_train. 6. Making predictions. y_pred equals model.predict, x_test uses the trained model to predict the values of the dependent variable for the testing data, x_test. 7. Evaluating model performance, commented out. The commented section, hashtag. Your model evaluation code here, indicates that we should add code to evaluate the model's performance on the testing data. Common metrics for linear regression include R-squared, coefficient of determination, and mean squared error. Overall, this code demonstrates a typical workflow for building a linear regression model in Python using scikit-learn. Thanks.